Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where performance meets passion and every machine has a story to tell. Today Ferrari has officially unveiled the next generation 2026 Ferrari SF90, and this car is sending shockwaves through the supercar world. From bold new colors to mind-bending performance upgrades, this Ferrari is pushing boundaries so hard it almost feels illegally fast. The 2026 SF90 arrives with a design that is sharper, wider, and more aggressive than ever before. Ferrari has refined the body with improved aerodynamics, deeper air channels, and a cleaner rear profile that enhances both downforce and stability at extreme speeds. New factory colors have been introduced, including modern metallic reds, deep sapphire blues, and stealth-inspired matte finishes that give the SF90 a futuristic presence on the road. Every line feels intentional, bold, and unmistakably Ferrari. Under the skin, this is where things get truly wild. The SF90 continues to dominate the midsize performance king category with an upgraded hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbo V8 with advanced electric motors. Total output is expected to cross the 1,000 horsepower mark, delivering instant torque and explosive acceleration. 0 to 60 happens in just over 2 seconds, and the top speed pushes beyond 340 km per hour. Power delivery is smoother than ever thanks to refined software and an improved all-wheel drive system that keeps the car planted no matter how hard you push it. Step inside and the interior feels like a perfect blend of luxury and racing technology. The cabin is more sophisticated with premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aluminum details throughout. Ferrari has upgraded the digital cockpit with a faster, clearer driver display, improved touch controls, and a more intuitive infotainment system. The steering wheel now features enhanced haptic feedback, making every drive feel more connected and precise. Comfort has also been improved with better seat ergonomics, optional ventilated seats, and advanced climate control, making this supercar surprisingly usable for daily drives. In terms of facilities, the 2026 SF90 comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive suspension, multiple drive modes including electric-only driving, regenerative braking, launch control, performance telemetry, premium sound system options, and full smartphone connectivity. Ferrari has also improved battery efficiency, allowing short city drives on electric power alone. Now let's talk price. The expected starting price for the 2026 Ferrari SF90 is around $520,000, depending on market and customization. With optional performance packages and bespoke personalization, the final price can climb significantly higher, making each SF90 a truly unique masterpiece. So is the 2026 Ferrari SF90 illegally fast? Maybe not by law, but by feeling, absolutely. This is Ferrari at its boldest, smoothest, and most advanced yet. If you enjoyed this deep dive, stay tuned to Ride Reviews for more next-generation performance machines coming your way.